because I've got some spare cash. G'day everybody, and thanks for joining me. Well, here we go again, the Mavic 2 Pro. Sensational, let me tell you. I'm so happy with this camera, so happy with it. The clarity, the colors, the contrast, and everything that comes through with it is fantastic. This is a cut above the original Mavic Pro's camera, and when I first got that, I was pretty impressed with it. But this one here, it just blows it out of the water. You go, the footage today, I took at the sunrise out a couple of k's short of the Somerset Dam, and I was very, very fortunate to get the sunrise I did, because after about an hour, clouds rolled in, and that was the end of that. So very happy about that. So what I did today, actually, while that sun was coming up, is I mucked around with the ND4, 8 and 16 as well. And what I also wanted to experiment with was the apertures and a couple of little shutter speed changes and things along with these filters. So what I did there is a couple of clips where it is in a very similar situation. The sun is in a very similar spot in the sky. And what I did was mucked around with the aperture and the filters to get the different shots from the same scene, basically. So there's a couple of clips in there, so keep your eye out for that, and I'll give you an idea of what the camera is up to. And the footage today that you'll be seeing is directly straight off the camera here. There's been no color correction, no LUTs, no nothing. So impressed with this camera, it's fantastic. So please enjoy the footage I have here of the Somerset region, and hit the like and the subscribe if you wanted. That would be absolutely fantastic. And I shall see everybody on the next one. Ciao.